dear students, welcome back to my class. In my last video, I have solved some exercise problem on the chapter indices, and this video is basically for students of class 9, and I have solved there up to 8 I think. So today I will solve some more exercise problem so that you can solve the similar problem. So I am consider, see the first problem, solve for x cube root of 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 1 equals to 625 by 81. Okay, so I have to solve this. So look at the board. So solution, just I have written the line cube root of this. We will solve this problem by the rule of exponent, okay, or by the rules of indices. So first we have to remove this root, and there is cube root. Okay, I told you in my first video that nth root of x, that means nth root of x, this is nothing but x to the power 1 by n. So if we use this law, then this can be written as 3 by 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the replace this. I can write, we can write 3 by 5 whole to the power 1 by 3 is replacement of cube root of 3 by 5. Whole to the power x plus 1 was there, so I am writing whole to the power x plus 1. After that 625 by 81. Try to express 625 into the form of exponent. So if we try to if we write 625 into the form of exponent, then it will be 5 to the power 4, and the denominator will be 3 to the power 4. Okay, now implies that you know that we can multiply this power. How? There is also another rule that x to the power m whole power n equals to x to the power m into n. That means we can multiply these two power. So this to the power 1 by 3, again whole power x plus 1. So if you multiply these two power, then it will become 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 1 by 3. Okay, equals to, this can be written as 5 by 3 to the power 4 whole power. Now to solve this equation, we need two things. First thing is, either we need the power same, or you need base same. So there is 3 by 5 and this is 5 by 3. Okay, so you have to convert this 5 by 3, since these two are different and one is reciprocal of other. So 5 by 3 can be written as 3 by 5 also if we take the inverse. Okay, why? Since there is a rule that x by y whole to the power n equals to y by x whole to the power minus n. Okay, to write x by y into y by x, just we have to consider here one minus. So in this place we can write that 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 1 by 3 equals to, this can be written as 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. Now in both sides we are having the same base. So since in both sides two exponents are having same base, so we conclude that their power also same. So next line should be like this. After this line, therefore x plus 1, that means power of first exponent, x plus 1 by 3, this must be equals to this, equals to minus 4. What is the reason? Since base are equal, since base same, in short base same. Okay, now solve for x. So just multiply both sides, then 3 4 is minus 12. Therefore x equals to, if you consider this plus 1 into another side, then it will be minus 13. This complete the solution. Is that clear to you? Okay, next problem. Next 12 number. simplify. Next problem is this, that you have to simplify lm root of x to the power l by m into mn root of x to the power m by x to the power n into nn root of x to the power n by x to the power l. We have to simplify it. So again we will apply the rule of exponent or rule of indices. Okay, so solution, very easy problem. So first thing is given lm root of x to the power l by x to the power m into mn root of x to the power m by x to the power n into nl root of x to the power n by x to the power l. Okay, which rule of exponent we have to use here? Actually we have to remove the root first. Okay, here lm root of is given, so this can be written as, if we take this part as x, then this root of x. So just try to remind this identity, this rule. Nth root of x equals to what? X to the power 1 by n. Just the power of inside this will be 1 by n. So if we use that, then x to the power l by x to the power m, the whole power will be 1 by lm. Did you get it? So apply this for second one also. For second one also, if we apply it, then x to the power m by x to the power n, the whole power will be 1 by mn. And for third one, x to the power n by x to the power l, whole power 1 by nl. Understood? Next, we can distribute the power over numerator and denominator. So if you distribute this power over numerator, then this will be into these two power. So l into 1 by lm. So in this case l will be cancelled out and we will get x to the power 1 by m. I am solving here directly. Okay, x to the power, otherwise this problem will be very large. So ultimately it will be x to the power 1 by m. Understood? L into 1 by lm. This l into 1 by lm. So l cancel out. So 1 by m will be there. X to the power 1 by m. Similarly in denominator it will be m into 1 by lm. If we distribute this power in denominator also, then mm will be cancelled out. Then it will be x to the power 1 by l. Similarly for the second case, mm cancel out and x to the power 1 by n by x to the power 1 by m into x to the power 1 by l by x to the power 1 by n. Now see, x to the power 1 by m is there and in denominator x to the power 1 by m is there. So these two are cancel out. X to the power 1 by l, x to the power 1 by l cancel out. X to the power 1 by m, x to the power 1 by n cancel out. So ultimately we will get the answer 1. So this is the answer. Did you get it? Okay. So pause the video and note down. Next 30 number problem. Read. Prove that 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus c plus 1 by x to the power b minus c. The addition value will be 1. Okay, so easily we can prove it. Always you have to try to apply the law of indices. Okay, how to apply? So see the solution. I am considering the left hand side part. So LHS what is LHS? 1 by 1 plus x to the power b 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus c plus x to the power b minus c. Okay, now apply the rule of exponent. Equals to 1 by 1 plus, in the place of x to the power b minus a, it can be written as x to the power b by x to the power a. Just remind the law of indices that in the case of division, the power should be subtracted. So this and this can be written as x to the power c by x to the power a, plus for the second one 1 plus x to the power a x to the power a by x to the power b plus x to the power c by x to the power b, and for the third one 1 by 1 plus x to the power a by x to the power c plus x to the power b by x to the power c. This next, after that, if we take LCM in denominator, then it will be 1 by x to the power a, and this is numerator will be x to the power a, x to the power cancel out, so place x to the power b plus x to the power c plus LCM x to the power b, so x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c plus 1 by x to the power c, x to the power c plus x to the power a plus x to the power b. So 1 by this. So next line should be, we have to consider the reciprocal of this one. So I am writing in the top. Okay. Pause the video and note down this part. So next line will be x to the power a by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c plus, for this one it will be x to the power b by, just arrange this part, then this is again x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So I am writing this x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, and for the third one x to the power c by again x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. Understood? So next line, again consider LCM. Again we have to consider LCM. The LCM will be x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So if we divide this, then it will be 1, then numerator will be x to the power a only. Second one x to the power b plus third one for x to the power c. So see, in numerator and denominator they are same thing, so it will be cancelled out and answer will come 1. That's 1. This complete the proof. Understood? Hope you understand the solution. Solve. To the power x plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 96. We have to solve for x. Okay. To see the solution, again we have to use the rule of exponent. So 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 96. Now 4 first we will try to convert into the same base. here base is 2, here base is 4. So we can, if we try to express 4 into the base of 2, then in the place of 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, and overall x plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 96. Implies that we can multiply this power, so it will become 2 to the power 2x plus 4 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 3 equals to 96. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 4. Since these power are in addition form, so we can write into product form. Since just we have used the rule, what, x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power m plus n, that rule, 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 4, that means 2 to the power 2x plus 4. So we can write in that place. For the second case also, 2 to the power 2x into 2 cube equals to 96. Now take common 2 to the power 2x. Since there are two terms, this is one term, this is another term, and in these two terms 2 to the power 2x present here. So take common 2 to the power 2x. Then first factor will be 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16, plus there will be 2 cube means 8 equals to 96. So after this line, 2 to the power 2x into, our target is to solve for x, so 2 to the power 2x into 16 plus 8, that means 24 equals to 96. So implies that 2 to the power, keep x related term in this side and consider all the terms in another side. So since 24 are in multiplicative form, so it will be division if we consider in another side. So 24 implies that 2 to the power 2x equals to, after cancel out you will get 4. Okay, so now we have to express the right hand side into the base 4 and base 2. Since left hand side is base 2, so this is 4 to the power, this is 2 square. Now since in both sides base same, so power must be same. So from this line we can write 2 to the 2x equals to 2, implies that x equals to 1. This completes the solution. Understood? If a to the power x equals 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. See the solution. Given that this and this, given that for problem number 20, if a to the power x equals to b to the power y equals to c to the power z and abc equals to 1, then you have to show that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. So first consider the given. A to the power x, b to the power y equals to c to the power z. If anywhere, for any problem, you get such two equalities, that means 3 terms are there, this equals to this equals to this, then you will first try by considering equals to k. Okay, by k. I am considering k. Say where k not equals to 0, obviously. Okay, then a to the power x also k, b to the power y, value of b to the power y also k. Since these three are equal, this equals to this equals to this equals to k. So first one equals to k, second one equals to k, third one equals to k also, and c to the power z equals to also k. Then what is the value of a? A will be k to the power 1 by x. Okay, b will be k to the power 1 by y, and c will be k to the power 1 by z. So now we have the value of A, B and C. Okay. See the second given. Second given that A, B, C cost 1. So put there. I am solving here. Therefore, A, B, C equals to 1 gives what? K to the power 1 by x into K to the power 1 by y into K to the power 1 by z equals to 1. Since product is there and all the exponents are having same base, so we can add the power. So it will be K to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. And if we try to express the right hand side into the base k, then it can be written as K to the power 0. Why? Since if for any non-zero number power is 0, then it will come 1. So K to the power 0. So now base same. So we can equate the power. So if we equate the power, then we will get the answer 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. This complete the proof. Understood? See, 29 number problem. Given that if x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 plus z to the power 1 by 3 equals to 0, then you have to prove that x plus y plus z whole cube equals to 27 xyz. Okay, very easy problem and interesting also. Important, very important problem also. Given x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 plus z to the power 1 by 3 equals to 0. We have to cubic both sides, okay? So before cubing both sides, we will consider one term in another side among this x, y, z. So I will keep in one side x and y related term, and I consider this z into another side, then it will be minus z to the 1 by 3. Now cubing both sides, then x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 whole cube equals to minus z to the power 1 by 3 of whole cube by cubing both sides. Next, we have to apply the a plus b whole cube. I told you in our first video that we have another form to express it. Okay, so this is nothing but a cube. Just I will apply this rule that we have this another form, that a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is one more another form. Okay, I have derived this part. So x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus y to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3ab, that means x to the power 1 by 3 into y to the power 1 by 3 into a plus b, that means x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 equals to, it will become minus whole cube, that is minus, and it is z to the power 1 by 3 into 3. So 3 cancel, only z. So this is our only z. Okay. Mark a number. This is 1. Okay, this line is one number. So this, from this line, this is our x, this is our y plus 3x to the power 1 by 3, y to the power 1 by 3, and in the place of x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 by the previous line, mark this line as 1. Extremely sorry. Mark this line as first 1. So x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3, in this place we can put minus z to the power 1 by 3. So into into z to the power 1 by 3. Minus will be there, so I am change this sign. It will be minus. Okay, equals to minus z. Understood? So we have to prove x plus y plus z. So first we need x plus y plus z. So x plus y, and if we consider this z in this side, then it will be x plus y plus z. Okay, I am solving top. After this, I am solving here. Therefore, x plus y plus z equals to, just consider this term in left hand side and consider this term into right hand side. So this term in left hand side is negative, so if we consider this term in right hand side, then it will be positive. So this equals to 3 to the power 3 into x to the power 1 by 3, y to the power 1 by 3 into z to the power 1 by 3. Now again cubing both sides. We have to prove x plus y plus z whole cube. So we have to cubing both sides. The left hand side will be x plus y plus z whole cube, and right hand side will be 3 into x to the power. Okay, these three together we can write x, y, z to the power 1 by 3 already was there, whole cube. Okay, actually this is our this. Now simplify the right hand side, then you will get the answer. Simplify the right hand side only. Then x plus y plus z whole cube equals to 3 cube means 27, and we can multiply these two powers, then 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and x, y, z will be left. So x, y, z. So this complete the proof. Understood? Okay. Next I will solve 17 number problem. Okay, 17. By using law of indices, so look at the board. So in left hand side it is given that x to the power x root over x, so keep it unchanged now, and in right hand side given that x root over x to the power x. We will try to make the same base or make the same power. Okay, the problem will say what we can. So it is x to the power x root over x equals to the this part x root over x can be written as x, and root over x can be written as x to the power half. Okay, since nothing is there, so there is 2 to the power x, implies that x to the power x root over x equals to, since multiplication is there, so power of x is 1, so base same, so you can add the power. So x to the power 1 plus half will be 3 by 2 whole power x, implies that x to the power x root over x equals to, there will be x to the power 3 by 2 into x. Now see, both sides base same, so we can equate the power. So after this line will be, we can equate the power. Power will be x root over x equals to 3 by 2 of x. Just since base same, so power obviously same, since equal base. Now it's very easy. Cross multiplication, then 2x root over x equals to 3x, implies that x you can cancel out x from both sides, then 2 root over x will be equals to 3. Okay, just cancel x from both sides, then in this side will be 2 root over x equals to 3. Actually here x not equals to 3, it has to be mentioned there, but it has not given in the question paper. Okay, next, root over x equals to 3 by 2. Therefore x equals to root over x2. If we convert it into x, then we have to consider squaring both sides. So it will be x, and this is 9 by 4. This complete the solution. Understood? Next, 30 number problem. If x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, then show that 3x cube plus 9x minus 8 equals to 0. I have solved a same problem in I think the problem is today's second number problem. Okay, or first day's problem, first day's. Okay, I have solved the same problem in my previous video, but I will solve it again since this problem is very important for final and the first term also. So I am solving it again. Not exactly this problem, this type of problem is important. So what is given here? Given that x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. We have to cubing both sides since we need here x cube. So by cubing both sides, what? This side will be x cube equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Implies that x cube, now apply the a minus b whole cube, identities for a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, one more identity I have rearranged, that in general a minus b whole cube means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We can rearrange it. If we consider a cube plus b cube together, then a cube minus b cube, then rest terms are these two terms. Okay, so among these two terms take common minus 3ab. Then first term, since a square was there, already 3b and a already taken common, so only a will be left, and I have taken negative also, so it will be negative, and 3ab already taken, so a minus b. So this is another form. We will use this form. Okay, so if we will use this form, then it will be, this is our a, this is our b. So 3 to the 1 by 3 whole cube, that means 3 itself, minus 3 to the minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay, minus 3ab, 3 to the 1 by 3 into 3 to the minus 1 by 3 into a minus b. That means 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, so left hand side is x cube, 3 to the power 1 by 3, we can multiply these two powers, so 3 will be cancelled out, then ultimately it will be 3. 3 to the power 1 actually, so 3 minus, it will be 3 to the power minus 1 minus 3 into 3 to the 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. If we simplify these two terms only, then it will be 3 to the power 0. Since 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means 0, 3 to the power 0 is 1. So 3 into 1. And in the place of 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power 1, in the place of this term, we can use the x since it is given. Okay, so we will write here x and write it, mark it as 1 and write here by 1. Okay, understood? Next, implies that x cube equals to 3 minus 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 minus 3x. This, so multiply both sides by 3, then you will get the answer. Okay, I am writing here. okay, by red color. So after this part, I am solving here. After this part, x cube equals to, I am writing, copy the same, okay, minus 3x was there, okay. So now if we multiply both sides by 3, then it will be 3x cube equals to, if we multiply this by the 9, it will be 1 minus 9x. Now consider in one side, then it will be 3x cube. If we consider this term in this side, then it will be 9x, and 9 minus 1 means 8. So if we consider in this side, then minus 8 equals to 0. This complete the proof. Hope you understand. Okay, next. Okay, so this complete the chapter. Rest all the problems are similar, which I have solved in my class. So you have to solve the rest problem by yourself. If you are having any problem at any time, then you can ask me. Okay, so this complete the chapter, indices. Okay, so see you soon again in my next class. So take care. Goodbye.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all updates.